How to use Google Ads in 2021 as a complete beginner. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Ads for your business and get started within a couple of seconds as a complete beginner. So now firstly I want you to come on to ads.google.com, and once you come on to ads.google.com you can basically see this dashboard in front of you. So in this dashboard what I want you to do is that I want you to simply put in your email address, and then simply I want you to click on get the coupon and get started. Now when you sign up you will be given a $45 ad credit as well, so like that is a great thing. Now scrolling down you can actually set a budget for yourself that actually works. So like for example, if you're a new business and you don't have much financials, you can actually have a very low budget and still market yourself out there in the real world. Now after that you can basically see some testimonials and some messages, so click on now on start now, and then that is going to take you over to their sign up page. So like once you go over to their sign up page, now from over here you can actually get started signing up quickly, or you can just create your ad if you are signed in into your Chrome profile on Google Chrome. So now from over here what I want you to do is that I want you to simply publish your ad or like create an ad for yourself. So now from over here what I want you to do is that I want you to simply upload your video if you want to create a video ad. Now if you don't want to create a video ad, what you can do is that you can simply click on the top right and click on sign in. Now once you click on sign in, that is going to essentially take you over to the sign in panel. So once you come on over here, now click on the bottom where it says skip to billing, and then after that from over here you can basically confirm your payment info and everything. And then after that you can simply click on submit and start reaching more people and then simply buying more ads. But for now we are going to simply paste the video URL over here. So once you paste that in over here, now you have the options to basically show this as an ad on YouTube, or automatically place this before, during, or after other YouTube videos, or you can even place this as a thumbnail next to related videos on the YouTube homepage. So you can choose either one. I'm gonna choose the second one for now, and then after that basically now you can simply put in the description. So in the first description you have to basically put in a short description of what your product is about. So I'm gonna simply put in the latest song from AP Delon. So I'm gonna simply type in that. So now from over here what I want you to do is that after that simply put in a new description. Now for the second description I want you to simply type in something basic about the video that you have. So I'm gonna simply from over here type in the latest and the best music video in the world. So once I type in this, people are definitely gonna click to find out if this really is the latest and the greatest video in the world. So this is basically instilling curiosity in the audience. So now I want you to click on next, and then after that wait for a couple of seconds, and then that is gonna basically take you over to another page. Now if you see errors like this basically means it's decrease your letters. So I'm gonna simply remove this first three words and then click on next. So once I do that, that is gonna take me over here. So now from over here you have to basically click on request an exception and then click on next. Now once you do that, now from over here you basically have to choose your location. So where are your customers located? Where do you want to market your ad? How do you want to acquire customers, and which area do you think your video is going to get the most likes or clicks from? So I'm going to simply choose a particular location. I can simply add in a location as well. I'm going to type in New York, and then once I type in New York I'm going to click on New York, United States. So simply type in over here Larry, and then after that simply wait for a couple of seconds, and then this is gonna load up. Now guys, this place was not very famous previously, but during 2001 and 2015 it got a lot of action, and now it is very famous. So I'm sure you guys will find this place very fascinating. So I'm gonna simply type in Larry. If you don't see anything, I'm gonna simply change it to Rome. If I could see something, yeah, so I can see Rome now. So now I have basically my three locations: Pakistan, New York, and then after that Rome as well. And now I can even add languages. So guys, the amount of customization they basically give you is insane. So I'm gonna click on add language, and then I'm gonna type in Urdu, and then also I'm gonna type in over here Uzbekistani. So if I don't see Uzbekistani, I'm gonna choose Ukrainian. So these are my target niches. So now that I have everything set up, so over here on the right side I can basically see that I'm gonna be getting 43,000 to 99,000 impressions and 1.6k to 4.2k views, and then also my average cost is gonna be zero point 0.7 rupees to like 3 rupees. Guys, that basically means $0.03 or $0.001. Yes, that is really, really low. So now I want you to click on next, and that is basically going to take you over to the age selection center. So now basically choose what type of audience do you want. Do you want like 18 to 25 years old, 35 to 44 years old, females, males, and also what is going to be their parental status. So like you have to like think about all these things, and then after that click on next. So once you do that, that is going to basically take you over here. So now from over here, you can basically like, choose how you want to market it and what is going to be the category of this particular video. So I'm going to simply like, from over here, choose media and entertainment. And then after that, I'm going to basically choose a different category like comics and animation fans. And then I'm going to click on next. So once I click on next, now from over here, I can basically see how much money am I willing to spend. So like for example, if I were to spend 10,000 PKR, which are basically $70, I can get 870,000 to 2.3 million views, and also 40k to 95k views, plus the cost per view is also gonna average out to like a lower amount. So like definitely a very, very nice option for you guys to get started. But I'm gonna like reduce this to like 1,000. So like once I reduce this to 1,000, I can actually get myself a lot of views. So I'm gonna click on next, and then after that I can basically see some more options over here too. So after that, once I can finalize all of these things, basically like double check the location, demographics, description, headline, the video itself, and then also my daily budget, I'm gonna click on next. And then that is going to basically take me over here to verify my billing info. Now once I verify my billing info, I'm going to click on submit, and then my ad is going to go live. But for now, I'm not going to do that because they're going to start charging me that money, because I really don't want to promote this particular video. But it was all just to teach you guys how it works. Now you can do the very same thing for different ads as well. So like for example, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to type in Google Ads. Now once I type in Google Ads on Google, I can simply scroll down, and then after that I'm going to simply like click on the first link. Now once I click on that, now I can simply click on start now, and then that is going to basically take me over to the Google Ads detailed section. So then I can basically like start my campaign again, and then also like market my link if I wanted to. And like there are just so many options that you can use to like actually get started. And guys, again one last time, if you find this video useful and if you actually found what you were looking for, guys, make sure to like share it with anybody who might need to learn about similar stuff, or who might need to learn about this particular platform as well, or someone who might need to learn about this comparison. So like definitely do that. It might make someone stay, and also stay happy, stay safe. So guys, that is basically how Google Ads work, and that is how you can get started as a complete beginner with Google Ads. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.